Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my birthday is coming up in the next 2 weeks and my best friend Rachel and her mother got me a early birthday present, which is the ring light that I'm filming with right now. I'm so excited because now I don't have to wait for the sun no longer. I could just use my new ring light and I'm so happy and excited, and I can't wait to start using the ring light for more makeup tutorials. I thought I would do this look, which is like a Valentine's flirty look. I thought it would be good because Valentine's Day is coming up in the next week. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you later. First, I'm going to moisturize my face. Okay, and then next I'm going to prime my face and I'm going to use my Benefit Porefessional. And now for foundation, because I'm like really pale, the only foundation that matches me while I'm really pale is the Fenty Beauty. I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques complexion sponge. And now for concealer, it's my Erase Paste from Benefit in the shade 1. I'm just going to put this under my eyes. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with my Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer in the shade 005 Light Natural. To set my under eye area, the e.l.f. under eye setting powder. I wouldn't use this if you're going to be like taking flash photography, or if you think that you're going to be taking photos with flash on it, because this does give you a flash pack because it is like really white. You want to set your under eye and your face at the same time. I use the Stay Matte translucent powder. I just use this if I'm using like flash photography, or if I think I'm going to be taking any photos, especially if I'm wearing tan. I love to set my under eyes with this and my whole face just because it doesn't give me that flashback. So right now I'm just going to use this. At my face, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. On to eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. For bronzer, I'm going to take the e.l.f. St. Lucia duo. It has like a blush and a bronzer, so I'm going to use this to bronze my face. Okay, and then for some contour, I'm going to go in and use that one over there, which is the NYX number 7, I think it is, from the NYX palette, contour palette. For blush, I'm going to use my Essence Silky Touch blush in Indian Summer. I use this all the time, it's my favourite blush ever. And then for highlight, because I want a subtle look, I'm going to go for the Mary-Loumanizer by the Balm. This is just amazing. Like, this is just a gorgeous subtle glow. Okay, so on to eyes, and I want it to be kind of like a simple, kind of blown out, smoky-ish eye. Just kind of like the purples and the pinks. So what I'm going to start off with is, I'm actually going to go in with Peach Smoothie into the crease first, which is by Makeup Geek. It's just this one right here. I'm just with my big fluffy Inglot 6SS brush. I'm just sweeping this back and forth from outer corner to the inner corner and just kind of messily putting this on. This is just kind of like a transition shade to help everything blend together. Next I'm going to go in with this amazing colour. This is Tuscan Sun by Makeup Geek. This is just like a blushy pink colour. It looks actually darker in real life than what it does look like in the pan. Actually no, that looks exactly what it looks like in real life now. And I'm going to just put this directly into the crease. I'm going to use the same fluffy brush, but I'm going to try and put it below Peach Smoothie. Next I'm going to go in with Bitten from Makeup Geek, which just looks like this. It's a really pretty cranberry shade. I'm just going to pack this onto the lid and then I'm going to blend it out with a different brush. Then with the big fluffy brush from England, I'm just going to go and blend that all out with no extra product. Alrighty then, now onto the glitter kind of topper thing, and I'm going to use the Collection Glam Crystals. This is in the shade Funk 3. It's just like the gold like glitter liner. It's just so nice. So what I do is I don't put it directly onto my eyes. I just like take a little bit off the wand and just put it on my hand like that. You see how pale I am? Oh my god. Just like a little bit more than that. About that much. You really don't need that much. And then I just take my finger and kind of just dab that on top. And then really lightly just kind of press it onto my lid. Now for the lower lash line before I finish up on the actual lid. Go back in with Tuscan Sun, which is that really pretty pink shade, and I'm only going to use this just because I don't want too much on the lower lash line. But I want enough for it to like come together. So to finish up on the lid, I'm just going to take a kind of really slim brush, kind of like this, with a bit of Americano, which is this colour here. This is like a really deep red, chocolatey brown. I'm just going to put this as close to the lash line as I can. And for mascara, I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Flash Paradise. Like, you could definitely just not wear lashes, but because I want it to be kind of like fluttery and I want my lashes to be a little bit longer on the outside, I'm going to go in with the Eyelure Fleur de Force. They're 3/4 length eyelashes. They're just kind of like for the outside, so it makes it kind of like, ooh, pretty. I'm going to put these on off camera. I don't know what I was thinking of trying to do it on camera, but I will come back and then finish off the look. So I have the lashes on now. You can see like it's not a huge difference, but it kind of gives you something extra and it gives you a little bit of volume on the outer part of your eye. Okay, and now onto lips. I didn't want to do anything too bold. I kind of want to just keep the focus on the eyes. So I am going to line my lips though with MAC Whirl. My Whirl is so small. So I'm just going to do that and then fill it in a little bit with it. I'm going to be putting a lip gloss on top of it, which is the L'Oreal Paris Xtreme Resist Me gloss, and this is just like a really pretty like lip gloss. It's a bit sticky, but it's just so nice. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.